Brace yourselves, because what you're about to witness is not for the faint of heart. These are the most horrific train accidents ever recorded, featuring violent collisions, narrow escapes, and hauntingly chilling footage. Each scene is a chilling reminder of the fragility of human beings in the face of the brutal power of steel and speed. Let's start now. Something that makes people say, what the hell is this?
Whoa!
Train crashes into car trying to cross tags.
Whoa!
The motorcyclist crashed straight into the railway barrier, but fortunately, no train was passing by. Car crossed the tracks right in front of the train. One person was seriously injured. The cyclist almost died after crossing the railway, but luckily he was okay.
Oh my God!
Train crashes into tractor trailer, breaks wind turbine blades in half.
God.
Railway barrier crashed through by car while fleeing from police. A young man riding a motorbike stopped close to the railway tracks to look, but at the same time, he turned on the gas, causing the motorbike to jump forward, and the train crushed the reckless young man's motorbike.
What are you doing?
Man walking his dog almost got run over by train. The driver turned up the loudspeaker and drove around the barrier while the train was approaching, causing the car to be thrown away. The car was about to cross the railway but got stuck just as the train was coming, so it was hit and blown away. The girl jumped out of the car that stopped in the middle of the train tracks. She was truly a smart and agile girl. The incident happened at a railway crossing without a crossing guard in Geleen, Limburg province. The barriers on both sides had been lowered, but the young man still tried to squeeze through. Barrier brought down the motorbike, which was still crossing the tracks just as the train rushed towards it and threw the driver off his bike, seriously injuring him. Container truck driver crossed the railway but got stuck, had to abandon the vehicle to escape.
Oh my God!
A front-runner train crashed into a FedEx truck. Luckily, no one was injured in the incident.
There it is. Pendleton, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh.
train collided with a car blocking the tracks and caused it to be thrown off course. The collision between passenger trains occurred when the leading train went off course. A man calmly walked in front of a moving train, even though there was a legal crossing next to it. Truck was hit by train and thrown hundreds of meters when trying to cross the barrier. In Russia, this cyclist clearly did not care to stop at the level crossing. Recklessly crossing the railway even though the barrier was down, the man received a bitter ending because his car broke down. The barrier was down, the train was rumbling towards it, but the driver still decided to accelerate so the pickup truck could speed past. The car had a serious accident because it tried to cross the railway line even though the barrier was down. Pickup truck thrown off tracks as train approaches. Recklessly crossing the tracks when the train was coming, the driver almost suffered serious consequences. Although other vehicles proactively stopped when they saw the train coming, the truck driver still recklessly crossed the railway and was thrown off by the train.
Cop car is going to get creamed. Wow.
How do so many things always get stuck on train tracks? They're like a light to moths.
I cannot believe I just saw that. Wow.
Would they rather have their car blown to scraps or they'd run through the gate? I can't understand some people. Unless the car broke down, That's a terrible logistical error.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
This traffic helps move fast and the edge over the home buyer edge.
The car broke down just as the train was about to pass.
Churchill Mortgage.
Why do they have to rush for a few seconds to delay a whole day?
Well, they got out of the car at least. Holy crap.
The driver of the car is incredibly lucky he hit a bogey instead of going under one of the carriages. The perpetrator of the accident was injured and hospitalized, but not before having to repair his car and pay a large fine. Luckily, no one was injured.
Holy moly.
Many have stalled at the time of crossing the tracks. I was going to say that some people might act like that, then realize they were actually rear-ended. Could it be panic or car trouble? Train accidents often pose extremely great danger. Maybe because the road is too slippery, please proactively avoid the train from afar.
Oh, he's gonna hit that son of a bitch. He's gonna fucking hit him. Oh my fucking god. Holy fucking shit.
Ser vi, ja. Nu smäller det, nu smäller det, nu smäller det. Wait.
Now, everyone else has to wait a long time because this guy doesn't bother waiting a short time. If he's okay, take away his driver's license. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you find the content interesting and useful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. We will continue to bring you interesting and quality content. Thank you, and see you in the next video.